Hello everyone, welcome to another video. How is it going at your end? Please stay safe during this period and we shall all overcome. In this video, I want to show you how to make a simple face mask using just a single piece of socks from a pair like this. So I'll be cutting this end off. I also cut this end. I'll cut off this portion off. It looks a bit rough, don't mind me. So I'll be cutting from this end. I'll be cutting from this end. So after cutting, this is how it looks. Now I'll be putting this hanky inside to make it thicker and more protective. So now I've cut this portion from the hanky. I would insert it into the sock. This is to make it thick enough not to put out a fire. It must be thick enough not to put out a fire easily. So which makes it more protective. Now this is inside. You can actually use any color of socks you want. Then so this place would be where you would hook onto your ears, your two ears. So this is it. I'll be putting so it's covering my nose, covering here.